Kanak Infosystems. In today's video, we are going to talk about the concept of workers in ERPNext servers and how we can increase workers in ERPNext. So basically, worker processes are separate instances of a program that can run concurrently to perform tasks in parallel. So they are often used in server application to handle incoming client request more efficiently, so the server does not get reloaded or the request does not get stopped due to high number of processes or high load on CPU. That's why the concept of workers is used to make sure that the server is running efficiently with tasks aligned to different parts of CPU so they can run in parallel. So in ERPNext, let us check how we can add workers based on the system configuration. So this is my ERPNext server that is running currently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'll find a file named proc file, as you can see here. So I'll click on this and I'll open the file sudo nano proc file. So this has opened the proc file, which has various configuration like the Redis server configuration, the port on which the ERPNext server is currently running. So we have all these configuration present here. Along with that, we have another configuration, that is the worker configuration. So I'll click here, I can add worker, another worker here, and I will select this and done. So I have added another worker here to my ERPNext server. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just restart my server, and then I can go and I can check bench doctor. So this is going to represent to me that 2 workers are now online. So you can increase the number of workers, but you need to make sure that your system is capable of handling those workers. So you need to check what is the number of cores of your CPU, and based on that you can configure workers from your system. So this was a basic intro of how you can configure workers in ERPNext. If you have any other queries related to ERPNext, you can contact us. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.